So I was on the CIEE Seville trip, and so this meant that I was fully immersed in Spanish at all times. I lived with a host family, which was such a unique experience, and all of my courses were focused on liberal arts, and they were taught entirely in Spanish. My professor at the time had heavily suggested that I apply for the scholarship, and so to be able to tell them the news that I had received funding from it was just really amazing. Being able to take a breath and not have to focus as much on the financial aspect, and instead being able to get excited about studying in Spain and seeing where else I was going to travel was just a great feeling. I think as college students, we're often told college is what you make of it. And I think these experiential learning opportunities, they only enrich our time here at IU. So being able to have access to scholarships make it possible for students like me and for so many other students to be able to experience life outside of Bloomington. My name is Ella Famariss, and I hope you'll support experiential learning this IU Day.